Okay, so let's make this natural soap. I have all my tools here ready to go. Right here we have our chamomile and our calendula. I like using chamomile and calendula because they don't turn brown. So if you're going to use botanicals, make sure that it's something that's not going to look disgusting later on. So I am using detergent-free oatmeal, melt and pour by Crafter's Choice. I love the detergent-free one because, as you know, I have psoriasis. So detergent-free, anything free is great for me. Fragrance-free, you know. I have 2 pounds here. I'm going to put 2 pounds in here. I think this is a little bit more, so it's going to be a little bit flat, but that's okay. So, okay. So let's go and open this guy. I have never used the oatmeal melt and pour, so I don't know if the colloidal oats are going to stay suspended. Usually when I add it myself, I have to wait until the melt and pour base is set a little bit, where I'm stirring and it starts suspending. But you can see a lot of it fell to the ground, to the bottom here too, so maybe we can fix that. We'll see. We will see. We're not doing very much to the soap, so you know, we're not going to be in a rush doing things and so on. It's mostly going to be the aesthetics and of course the Kaolin Clay that I'm adding. I love the feel of clay in melt and pour soap. It does reduce the bubbles a little bit, but the luxurious feel just makes up for it. And if you're a soap maker, you know, or a cosmetics maker, you know that bubbles don't actually do the cleaning. They're just bubbles. But most people feel that if they don't have bubbles, they're not being cleansed, which is not accurate. Okay, so I've melted it. I actually had to go to the kitchen because my microwave is really small. If you watch my videos, you know that I make very small batches because I don't want to use up all my product and I want to make more videos. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like and share, and watch the whole video so you can get monetized and keep making more videos. Okay, so I've been stirring for a while, which I never do. Melt and pour, I'm pretty impatient, but I want the colloidal oats to suspend. So we are at 122. So if you make melt and pour, you know that's pretty cool. Okay, so 2 pounds of soap. Don't ever pour this in directly. I've done it. You just mess up the whole thing. It's just not worth it. So 1 spoon of Kaolin Clay. And we're going to disperse it in alcohol. I have 91%, but it doesn't matter which kind you use. Just make sure it's fully dispersed. Again, this has happened to me. I got lazy and I just poured it in. Thankfully, I was making a small batch. I usually test crazy stuff with very small batches. There we go. So just keep adding alcohol until it looks like really smooth. And I'm not scenting this soap. It smells really good. I can really smell the colloidal oats. Now we can pour it. I don't know if you can see. Again, I apologize. I'm left-handed. Even though we have colloidal oats here and Kaolin Clay, I want to add a little bit of this Oat Hydrolysate. You don't have to add this. I know many people don't have it. I make cosmetics, so I add this to a lot of my products. It adds a lot of moisturizing benefits to your skin. And I've added it to melt and pour before. It doesn't hurt it. Man, this is really cooling off, yo. I may have to pour it and then go heat up whatever's stuck on the... Let's see how low we went. 109. Have any of you ever poured at 109? Okay, here we go. Let me try and pour. Okay, so what I did is I made Moroccan Argan melt and pour. I wanted to leave everything vegan. Just makes sense. So I'm going to add 1% of the Oat Hydrolysate. Okay, so it's still a little shaky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some alcohol, 91%. And I'm just going to start, if you use chamomile, make sure you take the little stems off. You don't want somebody stabbing themselves. I mean, it's not like you're going to die, but, you know. Okay, I'm going to let it set for about 24 hours and we'll come back and cut it. Okay, I'm back. It's been about, I want to say like 24 hours. So we're going to unmold it. Look at it, shows. It looks like such a nice, gentle soap. Okay, let me set my cutter and we'll start cutting. There we have it. We just made some fragrance-free, detergent-free oatmeal melt and pour soap. Thank you for watching. See you next time.